supported this man to become a president. And now look what is going on in the country. Look the hardship we are facing in the country. You can't buy food, even to eat. 2 square meals a day. 2 square meals a day is a problem. How can we survive in this country? If we were to be like this, 2016, will it attract strong?
This morning, if I'm here, I am here as Sam George, a citizen of Ghana. I am here as Sam George, the MP for the Igbo Pram, who represents people who have sent me to Parliament to speak and demand a better government and better accountability for them. I am here as a man who has a wife who goes to the market. I am here as a father who sends his children to school and has to feed his children. I am here like you, the ordinary Ghanaian. There is no special market for MPs. There is no special tariff for MPs. We also go to the same market like everybody. And I know that before Akufo Addo became president, I used to buy a loaf of bread for my children at 350 pesos. Today I am buying that same loaf of bread at 15 Ghana cedis. What crime have we committed? In 2020 December, I used to use 430 Ghana cedis to fill my fuel tank. Today I am using 1,300 Ghana cedis to fill my fuel tank. What offense have we committed? We were told, sir, yet Tisikasu enti ekom de. Yet Tisikasu nansu ekom de. And yet, ya sorry Sikanosu, ama ye Sikane Jari wo wiem, ema ekom enkuye. And when we talk, they say we should not talk. When we want to complain, those who sit in government and enjoy the largesse of the people's taxes say we have no right to talk. When we want to complain, they call us Jeremiahs and naysayers. But one thing we will remind them of is that the power of the people is greater than the people in power. Sure. Today's demonstration is a demonstration by all Ghanaians. Whether you are a teacher, whether you are a doctor, whether you are a market woman, whether you are a nurse, whether you are a soldier, whether you are a police officer, whether you work with national security, whether you are a farmer, whoever you are, you also go to the market. And because you also know that what we are saying here today affects you, if the nature of your work cannot allow you to join us, we know that in your heart and spirit, you are joining and demonstrating with us, and you will work and stand with the people of Ghana. Today, we know that the organizers have had conversations with the police on what time we will start and what route we will use. We are going to work with the security services here, the police service, to ensure that our agreement with them is carried out to the latter. We agreed with them where we will start from and where we will end. And we will stick to our plans, working together with the security services to ensure that the desire of the police officers, even on duty today, and those of us demonstrating today, we will take it to those in power in the Flagstaff House for them to know that the people of this country are suffering. Like Dr. Baumia said, nurses are suffering, doctors are suffering, teachers are suffering, fishermen are suffering, farmers are suffering, students are suffering, fathers are suffering, mothers are suffering, men are suffering, women are suffering, soldiers are suffering, police these men are suffering. We will show them that everybody in this country is suffering. Even the presidential staffers are suffering. And so for us, we have only one message. This demonstration is a peaceful demonstration. But it is a demonstration of hungry people. Because a couple days. Today we are playing 0-1-0 formation. Even the 0-1-0 we are struggling to do. And so if our president cares about the people that he leads, he will stop flying in rented presidential and luxurious jets and use the presidential jet that President Mahama used. But one thing we can assure them of is that, like the Bible says, weeping may endure for a while, but joy cometh in the morning. And our joy will come on the 7th of December 2024. But between now and December 2nd, we will make sure that the government that has put Doti in their ear, and so they cannot hear what we are saying, we will remove the Doti for them to hear that we are saying, Pompini, the Manelli, Mami, Mama, yes, and you are making sure, sir, about you bet here, because yen, now you do a motu, and I yen, now you bet me, the Bema West for. Now you see, obey again, obey here, now West for.
If you are not a criminal, you resign your position. And the point is, we have a government which ordinarily should be described as an administration. A government that is in power for its selfish political interests. A government that is violating the provisions of this constitution with impunity. I am asking all of you to exhibit, manifest your anger, demonstrate your displeasure that an analog mind should not be ruling in a digital era. If you are an analog mind, you cannot find solutions to what is happening in a digital era. So no matter what your vice president does, he cannot. Because the person from whom he derives the power is an analog mind. Therefore, the digitalization process will come to naught. It will be possessed because your boss has an analog mind. Therefore, cannot successfully and efficiently set the affairs of this country in a digital era. Analog minds must retire. You know, this is a very serious program. So I am not able to articulate my points, eloquently and true. We have native Twi students here who will be addressing you in a Twi language. That is what will be taking place here. Lord of mercy. And Akufo Addo continues to do that to frustrate whoever will succeed him in future. Akufo Addo, to all intents and purposes, is not fit to be the president of this country. President Akufo Addo is jeopardizing our democracy. We are all involved. We are all involved. We are all involved. We are all involved. We are all involved in building Amagala.
here and the country is failing and Akufo Addo. That is why I have chosen to join Arise Ghana to protest. And everyone is saying, so you're about to do next, I was here shaking the very foundation of this country. I was here making something say, Ghana, this year now, would be a human for my Pedino. What's that now? I say, I said, I'll go to a year, and all year. We are out here to protest. We will start a demonstration based on the time the organizers are giving us. And we will march based on the route the organizers will give us. And wherever we have end, we will end there and make sure what we demand from Akufo Addo is done. Colleagues, we must be patient. When you are fighting a tyrant, it is not going to be easy. We must resolve and tell ourselves that today we will bring down the walls of Jericho. Today we will protest and make sure that our voices are loud enough for demanding better services. We cannot continue to suffer. We are here first and foremost as Ghanaians. We are here because Ghana demands our services as young people. And just like the just son, the nation Ghana today demands our devotion. We will remain here until such a time that the organizers join us and then we proceed. No police officer is going to dictate how this demonstration is going to be carried out. As citizens of this country, we will begin our right to demonstrate. And we will demonstrate based on what the Constitution prescribes us to do. Do not be afraid. We are here with you and we will stand with you to the very end. Thank you very much.
Teachers are, doctors are, nurses are, families, families, everybody, we are all, journalists are, the police are. Thank you very much. We are here and we shall continue to be here. Thank you and God bless us.
I know if you were to cast your vote today, your vote will be vote of no confidence. That you are hamstrung by the Constitution. There's nothing you can do. But the Constitution at the same time allows us to demonstrate our anger. We are going to demonstrate that anger and do it so the police will know that demonstration is not about happiness. Our demonstration is not about happiness. You know, all the horrors that we have seen and witnessed in history or read about history happen as a result of the obedience of the citizens. They have conformed and conformed unduly. If you are demonstrating, you demonstrate your dissatisfaction, that you are angry. Let me use this opportunity briefly to welcome the Ada chief who is in our midst. The Ada chief priest is in our midst. If I'm sure he's within he's behind us. Chief, we welcome you majestically to this royally. That you are part of this demonstration to underscore or drive home the need for Akufo Addo to be sensitive. Ada has joined us. So let me at this stage hand the mic to him to vent his frustration, to vent his concerns, to vent his displeasure, to vent